Hello. Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today I'm just going to be giving you guys a quick little update about what's been going on with me. As you guys know, I haven't been active on my channel. I actually decided to just take a little break because I was just getting very overwhelmed with everything going on, with the move, with being consistent on my channel, with work. It was just a lot of things going on, and I just felt like I wasn't taking care of myself anymore, and that was in mental, emotional, and physical health. As you guys know, Tony and I on both of our channels, we have talked about this several times. If you know how we were gonna get into the gym, how we were gonna be healthier, and whoop de whoop de whoop de whoop. And you guys know, like me, prior to moving in with Tony, I was really big on health. I used to go to the gym all the time. I mean, I still ate a little bad, but I did it in moderation. Like I still try to get, you know, my nutrients in. And then when I moved in with Tony, that kind of switched around very quickly. He wasn't going to the gym. He wasn't eating healthy, and those habits, I kind of felt like, well, if he's not doing it, why do I need to do it? And in the midst of that, I actually gained weight, and you guys know, you guys have seen it within this past year, how much weight I've gained. And you know, some of you have mentioned it, some of you, you know, thought it looked good. You know, I got a lot of different responses from you guys. Personally, for me, like in the beginning, like I didn't care if I gained a little weight. Like I embraced it, I was cool with it. But as of recent, I actually started to notice it even more, and I just didn't feel like myself anymore. Just to give you guys an idea, within that past year, I actually gained over 35 pounds. That's a lot for me. I'm only 5 feet, okay? Prior to moving in with Tony, I was 130, 125 around there. About a month and a half ago, I weighed myself and I was 166 pounds. That for me was, it's not even about the number on the scale. It was just more so like, how did I let myself go like that, you know? And it really just made me feel like, okay, I gotta really take control of what's going on, what I'm eating, going to the gym and all of that. And that was the main reason why I decided to take a break. I have been back in the gym. I have been trying to close my little Apple Watch rings every single day. And since like the last week of April, I've been going in, and so far I have lost about 10 to 11 pounds. So I'm happy about that. So I'm down to 154, 155 now. It kind of like alternates between the days, but I have been eating healthier. I have been, you know, just trying to take control back of everything, from my channel to my health to just everything. I'm only 25. I feel like if I don't take control now, the habits are only gonna get worse once I get older. Your health, your mental health, your emotional health, and your physical health all takes a toll on that as well. For me, since I was gaining the weight, I'm not gonna say I was like insecure, because I wasn't insecure. It was just more, I just didn't feel as comfortable being in front of the camera anymore. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, I just noticed my clothes weren't fitting anymore. I just like, I don't want to get emotional. The things you eat, guys, and the things that you consume for long periods of time, they can take a toll on you. And I felt like once I started realizing I was gaining weight, instead of like taking control of it at that moment and really just digesting what was going on, my way to cope was to keep snacking and keep eating. And although I'm not gonna say like I'm the biggest person in the world, because I'm not, I just felt how much that affected me as far as like my motivation, just my desire to do things. Me, I have always been a perfectionist. I've always been very ambitious. I have always been very active. I've always been very goal oriented. Like I've always tried and worked my ass off to get shit done, to try something new and challenge myself. And I feel like I was putting myself in a cycle. Like I understood what the problem was, but I didn't care that much to do anything about it at the time. And then I slowly saw myself getting worse and worse and worse, to the point where it was like when I would look in the mirror, I didn't feel like myself anymore. And it wasn't because of the weight. It wasn't because of the weight, but it was because how much I let little things affect me and my desire. Like I didn't feel like I was putting out my full potential. I didn't feel like I looked like myself anymore. I didn't feel like me anymore. I didn't feel like all the things that made me proud of myself were there anymore. And like that really like broke me down and made me realize like, okay, you know what makes you happy, Nicole. You know what makes you happy. You know the things that push you and help motivate you to get things done, to be more proactive, to get content out, and you're not doing that. There's only so much your relationship can take too. Like, let me tell you, Tony has been the best support system throughout this whole process, like with just moving and just everything. Like all of these experiences are new to me, and he has been there the whole time, like just being supportive, letting me know whatever I need, he'll be there. And he's definitely showed a lot of love. We both just realized like, okay, you gotta make a change, Nikki. You gotta do it. Like I realized I can't rely on him for my happiness. I can't rely on him to go to the gym with me in order to get my goals accomplished, you know? And that was one of the things I realized that I've made a mistake on when I moved in with Tony. Like I was relying on him to do things with me in order to get it done. And that's not how it should be. Like, you have to do things for you, not for each other all the time. And I'm happy I realized it a lot sooner, because now I do feel a lot more energetic. I do slowly feel like I'm getting back to who I used to be. And I know it's just gonna be a process, so you guys please bear with me. Like, I feel like this is really normal for people my age and my generation, and even in just women in general. Like, there's a lot of pressure on women overall, especially in social media, like expectations for how you should look. Like, for me, that's never been something I even cared about, or I didn't give a fuck, to be honest. I did not care at all. I did not care at all. Like, I just wanted to give you the best version of me that I could, and even the bad versions of me if I can. Like, I just want to show you the real things, you know, the real things that regular people go through, things that regular people want to try, like all that stuff. Like, I want to give you guys the real experience. I just haven't been wanting to share it, and that's the truth. Like, I just haven't been wanting to share anything because it wasn't up to my expectations. It wasn't up to, I just wasn't happy or proud to share certain things of my life that was going on. And I feel like that's not fair to you guys either, especially since that's one of the main things that I try to, you know, advocate on my channel, is just how I just want to give y'all the most organic, realist version of what life is like. Just want to thank those of you who have been reaching out and trying to like ask me when I'm posting my next video. Really been supportive throughout this past year, and even from the beginning. Like, I've always had a lot of love from a lot of you guys. And yeah, this is just what's really going on with me. I've just been struggling with my content, because I mean, there's content I want to create, but then there was content I'm like, I'm an overthinker. I criticize myself a lot, which is not a good thing, and Tony tells me that all the time. He tells me, all right, Nicole, like, I know you want to edit this video a certain way and it's not looking the way you want to, but you got to push it out. Like, he's always been very motivating as far as like how consistent I need to be, and like not to worry so much about how the content looks or the quality. Or he's been telling me for a while, like, I just need to go out there and like share what I gotta share. But you know, for me, it's an uncomfortable feeling to be vulnerable, and it took me a long time to be vulnerable with just Tony. So imagine just trying to be vulnerable with hundreds of thousands of people. Like, it's not easy. It's not. Yeah, you guys, I just wanted to give you this update because Gomez is back in the gym, and that's my main priority right now, is just to get my health back in order, because I feel like that was the root of my issues. Like, I was feeling like, ugh. And that's what I felt like I was giving you guys. Like, I wasn't giving you guys the best of me either, and that's not fair. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. I did lose 10 pounds, so I'm happy about that. I'm going to be sharing and vlogging my experiences from here on out. I mean, of course, I want to keep a couple things personal, but as far as like this particular journey, I feel like you guys do deserve that side of me, and just like me sharing with you guys what I'm going through, because I don't want to just come on back on YouTube and show you like, hey, I lost 30 pounds, and then you just guys are just like, damn, like, when did this happen? Why didn't you share the journey? Because the journey is not easy. People think it's just like you wake up. No, you're gonna go through a lot of emotional pain, you're gonna go through a lot of physical pain and mental pain, and you just gotta endure through all that shit. And that's what I want to bring to you guys. I'm not gonna probably posting too much about fashion and sneakers for a while on my channel, just because right now that's not a priority for me. Right now it's just more about my mental, physical and emotional health. And also this hair journey, because Jesus, this curly hair journey is about to be a headache too. My hair has grown a lot since I chopped it off. As far as like the pattern of my curls, they're not completely cooperating with me, and I know the sleek little bun thing is not gonna help it either, but that's what we're gonna do today because I actually have to work today, and this is like the cleanest like look I could give you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. I don't want to bombard you because I did say this was going to be a quick short video. It obviously isn't. To those of you who have been wondering where I have been and where I haven't been and why I haven't been posting, and to be honest, that was the main reason. And yeah, I just want to be more honest with you guys when it comes to that kind of thing, because you know, Tony and I, we live together. I do have extra time. We could be pushing out videos, but for me, I just was never in the mood. I was never comfortable enough. Like it was just a lot of like mental things going on with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or any tips, if any of you guys have been through something similar to this, please share it down below. I do want to give you guys another updated video soon about like what I've been doing this past month and a half, just kind of catch you guys up, and then probably do like a quick little vlog of like what I eat in a day, what I've been doing at the gym, and then also I want to do the plank challenge. So starting June 1st, I'm just gonna go ahead and claim it, manifest it. We're gonna get it done because I have been saying I wanted to do it and I haven't done it, but June 1st I will be starting that challenge, and we're gonna try to see what this little belly talking about. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna try to get this little, we'll get more into that in the next video, which I plan to do hopefully within the next few days. And then I'm also gonna give you guys the updated hair update and all that. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here real quick and just kind of give you a full, well, not a full detailed thing about what's going on, but a quick update. And yeah, I just want to tell you guys I love you guys so much. Thanks again for tuning in. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. Today we are going to be reviewing 4 different blue shampoos. I actually did a video that was very similar to this already. I did the power of purple shampoo. Purple shampoo is supposed to take out yellow tones in your blonde hair, and blue is supposed to take out orange tones.